Yo, what's up, guys? Yes, I know you guys hate me doing that, so that's why I do it, because I'm a troll. Lol, 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 lol. But in the past, I've been making some videos where I show you some. Well, this here you see a footage from Google Supercharger. I complain about littering. Littering is a global problem, but especially at the superchargers, tend to be lots of littering because naturally these Teslas they charge there, they don't give a shit about the environment, they just want to juice up, and then they eat, drink coffee, and they litter all over the place. So I'm pretty sure that this was done by Tesla owners, and then some people, I guess it's the people who litter themselves, they say no, this is probably done by someone else, it could be someone else. No, that is bullshit. Yes. Why? Because this spot here is only used by Teslas. So no one else parks here. We actually on this spot, I've been here a lot. Cool superchargers, yes. There's I've never seen any other fossil car parked there. So the spot is obviously only for Teslas supercharging, and I'm 100% sure that it was done by the Tesla owners. And now we just have a proof here that to back up my claim. So in the next clip here, see this is taken by, well actually it's a guy, I mean he said, I can mention his name, but I don't want to mention his name. It's not that important anyway. But this happened in Netherlands, and he was sitting in his own Tesla with a AP 2.5. So the footage is actually from the car's camera. And then he started recording because you see that the car there in front here is littering. It's a Tesla. For some reason, it's not plugged in. I don't know why. Didn't ask him about that, but I also asked him like, what happened, and he said that he saw this. He was there, he's sitting in his Tesla with his wife, and he didn't feel like confronting him. It seems like that guy, I don't know, he could be a troublemaker. And also the guy who he was recording, he's recovering from a surgery, so it doesn't feel like trying to start a fight or anything. Or yeah, and also his wife said, no, don't confront there. So yeah, look, shit, look at that freaking pig. Like seriously, when I saw this, I was like so pissed. Like, I mean, I've seen videos on the internet. There was like this truck driver who had a dash cam on, and then someone littered, and then of course it was a big truck driver, so he went out and shouted at the guy, and then they had to pick up the trash. But here, I guess unless you're a big trucker or someone, like a bodybuilder, then you can go and slap this guy's face. Yeah, and also of course, obviously, I have to block the license plate and also blur the front windscreen here. So yeah, because of privacy issues. So of course we're not here to send a hitman to this guy or whatever. I have the license plate number, so just contact me, PM me, and I will give you the license plate number. I'm just kidding, but it's just to show you what not to do, because don't be a douchebag if you're at the supercharger, especially when you're a supercharger. Because okay, you can have this excuse, these idiots, these douchebags, these scumbags, low life. I don't know what else what other words we can use, but these guys, when they litter, they don't give a shit about the environment. The excuse is that okay, we don't have time. It's too far away from a trash bin or whatever. Maybe if you drive fossil, you just want to refuel or whatever, and then they get the heck out of here. But you see, at the supercharger, you have a good reason to stay there and juice up. So there is no excuse. Pick up the trash, go to the nearest trash can and put it there. Or even better, look here. This is a plastic bag. Okay, yes, it's bad. Plastic is bad, but littering is even worse. Well, let me just show you a pro tip here. So I stopped trying to educate adults. Adults are the poison in this world. Yeah, I want to talk to the kids, the young generations. They are like the waving kids. They are going to be the future's inhabitants in this planet. So, okay, listen to Uncle Bjorn, right? Please listen to me. Okay, most of the time, don't listen to me. But if you see your parents do shit like this, then please tell them, because hopefully they will listen to you. They won't listen to me. Yeah. So a pro tip is bring one of these bags. So just, you know, you can have these plastic bags in a roll you can bring in the car. I have this. People who watch me on live stream, they see I always bring this plastic bag. Maybe not this big, but a smaller one. So if you have trash in the car, maybe you had a banana or two and you don't want that banana to smell all over the car, then put it in here. And what is great about this bag is that you don't want it to smell. Just tie it like this, and then next time you actually happen to pass by a trash bin or at home, just bring it in with you and then throw it away. Yeah, so problem solved. I don't know what to say about this, but littering is bad. In US, you can be fined for littering, €1,000, $1,000 fine. I hope people are caught in US. In Norway and most other developed countries in EU, there is no rule from, I mean, they are not strict about littering, which is such a shame. Like, yeah, I've seen examples in Korea. It's so clean there. I'm not sure why it is so clean. One, it could be that someone is picking up after the pigs, or two, they have a different culture there. I should go to Japan to see how it is. I heard it is super nice in Japan. So I think it could be two ways, you know. You punish people for doing something wrong, or you try to educate people. So yeah, I will try to educate the young people. So yes, I think that's it. It's still happy hours for me. It's always happy hours. It's been happy hours for 2 days now. So, but yeah, I think that's it for now. Hope you guys learned from something from this, especially waving kids. So you guys are awesome. But thank you guys for watching. So talk to you later.